Let us discuss metallurgy. Metallurgy is a process of getting pure metal from the impure ore. You may get a doubt, why should you take an impure ore and then purify it? Because that is what is available in nature. A ore is available in nature along with impurities only after mining. And let us see what is a mineral. Mineral is a metal compound. Metal compound. You can even use the word for non-metals also. KCl is a mineral of chlorine. So, mineral is a metal or generally non-metal compound which is available under the earth, mines, that is mineral, metal compound. Ore is a mineral from which the metal can be extracted, profitably and cheaply. So, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Look here. Minerals, a part of the minerals are ores. Ore is a mineral. Ore is a mineral from which the metal can be extracted profitably and cheaply. For example, sea water is a mineral for many. It may contain gold chloride also. But what happens when you start electrolyzing seawater, you will get 1 rupee worth gold after you spend 1 lakh rupees of electricity. So, there is gold in it, but you can't extract the gold in seawater profitably. So, seawater is a mineral but not an ore of gold. Now, metals are highly reactive. Metals are highly reactive. Therefore, if you keep a metal somewhere, it is converted to one of its oxides or sulfides. In open air, if you keep, metals are highly reactive, they don't keep quiet. They combine with oxygen forming oxides, and below the earth they combine with sulfur to form sulfides. So, most of the ores are either oxides or sulfides. So, metals exist in combined state only. They don't exist in their native state. Native means uncombined state. But there are very few metals which are available in their native state. Best example is gold. Gold, you can directly get gold from gold mines. Gold is there, it's not gold oxide that is present, it is gold. So, gold, platinum, silver to some extent are also available in native state. Okay? Some small quantities of platinum and silver are also there in their uncombined state. All other metals, they exist only as metal compounds. And extraction of a metal from its metal compound is always, the chemical process is always reduction. Suppose you are getting aluminium from Al2O3, what is that you are doing? Al2O3 is bauxite or alumina, bauxite say. Okay, what are you doing from +3 to 0? So, you are reducing, this oxide is being reduced. So, it is very difficult. Metals, what they do is they lose electrons naturally. They lose electrons. This is a natural process. And the opposite process is very difficult. That is, making a metal ion take the electrons. For example, copper 2 is there. You can't give electrons to this copper 2. It doesn't take the electrons. Metal ions don't take electrons easily. So, you have to force them to take the electrons. So, broadly there are 3 steps in metallurgy. First step is concentration of the ore or ore dressing. In this step, you start with impure ore to pure ore. So you listen to this very frequently, very often, that concentration, purification, the term. But you should know who you are purifying. Here you are purifying the ore. First step, concentration of the ore, purification of the ore dressing. Impure ore to pure ore. You get impure ores from mining. After mining, whatever ore you get, you purify that. 1A, there is a step between 1 and 2. 1A, you make roasting, calcination and smelting. 2, this is called extraction of the metal. Extraction of the metal. So from pure ore to impure metal. Why should you get impure metal only? Even though you will try a very great deal, you can't get the metal in its 100% purity. So let us not focus on purity in this step itself. In a different step, we can actually purify the metal. Okay? First, getting the metal is important with, say, 90% purity, 95% purity. First, you get the metal. Then you can slowly use the technique to purify. So, third step. So, in this step, ore means metal compound. Metal compound to metal means plus to 0, reduction. So, the extraction of the metal, this is also called reduction techniques. There are several reduction techniques. Now, 3. Purification of the metal. Purification of the metal. This is also called refining the metal. Refining the metal. Where do you start? From impure metal to pure metal. So, this is the starting point of the first step, ending point. Impure ore. So, you must have heard impure many times. Here, impurity is the ore. Here, impurity is the metal. Don't get confused. Here, if we are talking about aluminium, from red bauxite to alumina, impure ore to pure ore, like that.